prunes us so that we can bear more fruit. He skillfully and surgically pa nga, di ba? Talagang ginagawa ng ating Panginoon dahan-dahan. How much more ginagawa ng ating Panginoon sa buhay natin? Yung mga righteous children of God, those who are obeying Him, following Him. He is skillfully talaga. With all the skills ng ating Panginoon, ginagawa niya yan to put away bad habits, unhelpful activities, wrong beliefs, mga selfish motives, and even a few good but not best things from our lives to make room for good fruit. Maaaring maraming mga bagay na nakakapagpaligaya sa mga buhay natin, na sumasaya tayo. Pero when the time comes that God knows it's not right for you to be able to bear fruit, God will remove that in our lives. Tatanggalin niya ng Panginoon. Kasi alam niya, hindi siya magkakaroon ng room for you to grow in. Alam ng Panginoon kung yung perfect na bagay or nararapat na bagay para sa atin, sa bawat isa sa atin.